Hello friends, welcome to the new tips video. First find the center point of one side of the garment. Then grab the shoulder and bottom. Shake it. Fold it like this again. A short sleeve shirt is folded. Quick and neat. Fold the two trouser legs in half. Fold one trouser leg at the knee to 90 degrees. Just slowly roll down from the left. After rolling, turn over the trouser where you just push it. Lower the whole pants. This pair of jeans is ready to store. No matter how you move, it will not fall apart. Hold the skirt from the waist down, then hold the lower part of the skirt into the part and hold it in the middle after folding. Hold the lower part of one third. Then mark the waist width. The lower part. In waist, it is easy to hold four source. Hold the source. Up until the bottom part. We can then divide it into three equal parts. Put the pants waist into the pants. Let your pants waist into your trouser legs. Very neat. First fold the two sleeves in the middle. Then slowly roll up from the bottom. After rolling, put the whole clothes into it. This is and does not take up space. First we apply the heels of the two socks. Put the two socks together again like before. Then fold the socks into three parts and fold it upward. Turn the outer layer of socks inside out to cover the interior sock. Repeat after everything. Neatly arrange secure sock is ready to store. Like the video and share it as much as possible and subscribe the channel.